Boom bam! Bam bam clap! 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 Boom bam! I was riding on my tractor, not a care in the sun, when all of a sudden my tractor started catching on fire. It was a sad, sad day. Pretty soon, I saw a deer with big antlers. I shot it. And I drank some beer. And then I went out hunting for a new tractor. Oh baby, I got a new tractor. I'm a happy dude now. Can't believe I got a new tractor. Alright, you peasants. Let me teach you a thing or two about country. You're a bitch and I fucked your sister. So suck on this big helium rod, you son of a... So suck on this big helium rod, you son of a bitch. And I was sitting in my truck bed drinking beer by the fire when all of a sudden this bird came up and stole my bear. I then threw her in my tires and ran her over 3 times. All these sunflower seeds were up my ass. Salty sweet. I was late harvesting my crops this year. Now the snow's harvesting my crops. I'm making no money off of my soybean. So I fired my tractor. Boom 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 I watched the Iron Man movie today. Bam bam clap. It was a good movie. He was a big man wearing a suit of armor. Yeah. Yeah. Hola out, bitches.